Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here I want to explain you guys my poster illustration. So here I have some, what do you call it? I have some this this. I have some
Several that is from
references. For them is this one for the mobile here, and then sun in here for this one, the cloud here for this cloud, and also the mountains from here to here. Also some, and also some grass. And yeah, gonna tell you how to make it. So first thing first, it is really easy for the mountain. Maybe you just do it with the pen, make it like this, like this. Make it as simple as possible. Or maybe if you want to make it very good, you can just like bend it like this. That this like this like this. There, just make it like this, and then
Paras season.
like this.
Already go.
Like this. Like this, and then like this.
Yes,
You
sir.
got it here like this. Really, like, maybe I'll just explain you like the basic first. So here we have the mouse one to move all of the things here. Let me fill it so I can see it like this. And then we have hand to move the screen and not the objects. And then we have the scale one. So the scale is to upper the size of something that you don't want to make it like this. Like this is not with the scale. Like wait, sorry, it's image. Like we make something like this, and then it will be like this if you don't do it with the scale. But if you do it with the scale, you can make it like this. Yeah, and then we have the frame. So frame here, we have the frame for any for maybe almost anything. We have paper, watch, presentation, desktop, and a lot more. Like this, I'm using the Instagram plus one. Sorry, here the Instagram plus. Yes, yeah, do it like this. And put anything you like there. Yeah, just put it. And then after that, we have the shapes. There's rectangle here, rectangle, a basic rectangle, and you can make it like this. You can make the radius to anything depending on your design, so that you have a line to make I don't know something with this line, maybe just like arrow thing. Yeah, yeah, but you already have arrow here. You just need to make it bigger by the stroke, the weight, like 100. Yes. This. And then we have the ellipse. Ellipse. So here, this is ellipse. Sorry.
Oh iya.
This, like this,
Oh,
and
God.
then there's a polygon, a triangle for short. You can also do the count 5, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 60. Very good. And then we have star. Really self-explanatory. Mm. Then we have images. This is just like if you want to put an image or anything. And then we have the pen. Yeah, like this. This is to make something. Like you want to make something like that I show you to make the mountain. And here you can move it. We have lasso here. Yeah, this is the. And we have paint, so it will. What is it? No, no, no. Yeah, yeah, maybe like this. Like there.
So many this.
And then we have band, so it can be band like this, for example. Band this. No. Also, we have this. Then we have cards. It will maybe like, oh, this part will put a card. Yeah, it will be separated. And there's much more. And then we have a pen still. Good thing I have a pen here in my laptop. Yeah, bro, it's laptop. Then we have the text here. Is with all of the fonts here you can choose like you install or maybe popular and variable and all. Alright? Then for this you just get from these references. So just use the pen tool to make the shape and then done. And then we make it like this is like the taking of dirt and then boom done. And all of them just use like the pen tool. And for the sun is just like and then we just need the color. This one. And like I don't know, maybe this one. Then go to linear, make it like that, and all of this is use pencil, just like the mountain thingies. And yeah, I think that's all for the explanation. Yeah. I think this is my first Figma, and yeah, I think thank you so much for you guys to watch my video. Sorry if there's no, sorry if there's so much sound here. I mean it's my class and I forgot to use the mic. My mic is broken. So yeah, I'm so sorry if there's so much things that cause you not to focus on. And I think that's all for me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.